Okay, I'm gonna weld some hooks onto this bucket of this Kubota tractor. Here's the hooks we have. I ground the bottom a little bit to be a little flat. I'm gonna put 2 of them on, about like that. I'll actually match up the contour of that bucket pretty well. So now I gotta grind the paint off of this. I have the welder here. This is Dale. It's his tractor. He's gonna pull some fence posts out of me for me if I get this done. So now I'll go at it.
Okay.
Okay, here's the setup. I got the welder. It's gonna run on 110. Here's the ground. Gonna put electrode in here. There's the first welding object right there. I got it clamped on the back with a vice grip to hold it steady. That worked out pretty well. We took the tractor off. So now I just have to weld it.